Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wyze to add multiple cameras step by step clearly. To register with Wyze and add multiple cameras, begin by downloading the Wyze app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Wyze app once it is installed. Select Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Tap Submit to create your account. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your email. Once verified, return to the Wyze app and log in using your email and password. After logging in, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled for device pairing. On the main screen, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Camera from the list of device options. Choose the specific model of your Wyze camera. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once your camera is connected, it will appear in your device list. Repeat the process for each additional Wyze camera you want to add. Customize each camera's settings according to your preferences. You are now ready to monitor multiple cameras from your Wyze account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.